Hey guys, in this video, I forgot to shoot an intro, but we are starting the process of changing these front hubs so we can get Big Red to the scrapyard after we get all the parts we want off of it. Um, so I set these time lapse up so you guys could watch as we work through the process, and it really turned out good. Um, as I mentioned, we did break one of the brake drums, smashing on it with a sledgehammer, trying to get it off. So we're hunting one of them down still to replace that one. We found a couple, so it's not going to be a big deal, but we only are able to put one side back together because of that. So, and this is that side. We set in the bearing pressure here, and then we're going to get the rim mounted up onto the tire and then onto the truck. Really turned out good, you guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, well here we just put the silicone on the hubcap, and Paul painted up the brake drum so we can get that on here shortly. Kind of hard to video this because we're on both sides of the truck, because the right's got to stay rights and lefts got to stay lefts. All right, you guys, Big Paul, welcome back. Well, we're putting this Bud wheel hub on this truck here, and we want you guys to check it out. Look at that. Those are the new Bud wheels Paul got for Christmas. And there's the drum, which we wire wheeled and painted. The hub. And we only got one side done. The other side is still right there for the left side, but we're going to do that next. We wanted to have you guys check this out while we put it on the truck.
I gotta go up more. Well,
I gotta get over to the sun's killing me.
Your assistance, cameraman.
We need my assistant.
Gotta hold the tire or jack it up more. Show truck, man.
That's right. All right, guys, check that out. The Bud wheel is on. Studs are just long enough, but it's a full nut. I ain't gonna worry about it. Man, it looks good. Check it out. Talk about changing the look now of the truck. All right, now look at the other side still. We haven't done the other side yet, but we will. Check this out. Look at the difference. Oh my gosh. What a difference.
Well, it gives you something to look at up front, man.
Just like the black hole.
Yeah, it's not such a black hole.
That's what it is, the black hole. And then we got the nice back wheels. Check that out. And these, these are only five lug. Get us back to this side. Check out the difference. Dang, looky there. What a difference.
Okay.
Nice. BuyTruckWheels.com. Check them out. All right, guys. In the end of this video, you'll see we went to a place looking for a drum. They had a super cool awning. Figured I'd let you check it out. Our model awning. That's so cool. Why haven't I done this? That thing's awesome. For real. That's a RS too. That's that Superliner R model is what that is. I'd know it anywhere. That's the shape of the grill.